Eggs are the quintessential breakfast food. To be able to cook up a delicious breakfast with eggs to your style, it helps to have the best pan for eggs over easy. We've researched and discovered the 8 top-rated pans for eggs over easy, as well as the 2 worst to avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 8 best pan for eggs over easy, plus the 2 worst to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Lodge Cast Iron Skillet. This product is great for eggs over easy. It has a silicone egg ring that can also be used for pancakes and sandwiches. The Lodge Cast Iron Skillet measures 10.25 inches and the silicone egg ring has 4 inches in diameter. The pan is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. It can resist to a heat up to 500 degrees, making it great for over easy eggs. We could even say it's the best cast iron pan for eggs over easy. This high quality product has an easy to lift handle and also makes sure that your eggs don't stick to the pan even after a long period of being used. It is big enough, giving you lots of options when it comes to cooking. This might easily be the best pan for eggs over easy. It's not expensive either, having great features for its price. Coming in at number 2, OXO Good Grips Cookware 8-inch and 10-inch Nonstick Fry Pan Set. This amazing set comes with 2 packed pans to use for over easy eggs. OXO Good Grips Cookware 8-inch and 10-inch Nonstick Fry Pan Set is safe for up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit and the material is durable. It's made of hard anodized aluminum. Moreover, it is scratch resistant, making it easier to deposit wherever you want. They come in at a very good price for the quality they offer. The handle is also safe and you can securely hold it as it's made of riveted stainless steel and wrapped in heat-resistant silicone. What's great about this product is the fact that it doesn't let your eggs stick to the pan surface. Nobody likes it when eggs stick to the pan and get burnt. These pans allow you to easily slide eggs, making it to the best non-stick pan for eggs over easy. Coming in at number 3, Aluminum 4-cup Egg Frying Pan Non-Stick by MyLifeUNIT. The cheap but amazing MyLifeUNIT egg frying pan comes as a great option to cook your eggs for a delicious breakfast. It's better than usual cast iron pans, providing amazing heat retention. Aluminum 4-cup Egg Frying Pan Non-Stick by MyLifeUNIT is very conductive, being made of aluminum, and you can easily cook healthy over easy eggs. The pan has 1.5 inches height and 9 inches in diameter. Each cavity measures 3/7 of an inch. Moreover, the handle is carefully designed to stay cool, giving you a comfortable grip when using it. It's easy to clean as well, and it's compatible with electric and gas stoves. It's amazing because it gives you the opportunity to cook 4 eggs at a time. Finally, the pan doesn't allow eggs to stick to it, and it's easily the best healthy pan for eggs over easy. Looking to learn more about the best pan for eggs over easy in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Ecolution Evolved Non-Stick Fry Pan with a soft silicone handle. This cheap product comes at a high quality and lets you cook over easy eggs that you're going to be proud of. The griddle has 11 inches of size and it's excellent for daily use. Also, the dishwasher safe surface makes the cleanup effortless and it's easy to store it as well. The pan is designed from heavy gauge aluminum and it has a beautiful red color, making it even more pleasant to use. It comes with textured heat bands on the bottom, effectively conducting heat and making the cooking successful. What's more amazing is the fact that it makes the food easy to slide as it does not stick. The Ecolution Evolved Non-Stick Fry Pan with a soft silicone handle cooks very well and allows you to use butter or oil without problems. The handle is made of silicone, so it's very safe to use and offers a comfortable grip. The product is also a great choice for well-cooked eggs. Coming in at number 5, Calphalon 2-piece Classic Non-Stick Fry Pan Set. This pan, manufactured by Calphalon, offers high quality and makes your eggs easy to slide. It's made of hard anodized aluminum, which means it's very durable. The surface is easy to clean and doesn't let food stick to it. Also, it's safe to temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The Calphalon 2-piece classic non-stick fry pan set is lightweight and very easy to lift, and it heats up quickly, letting you cook your eggs in a few minutes. Moreover, the handle offers a comfortable grip. The surface will not flake or peel and makes your food well cooked and delicious. Its greatest quality is the fact that it doesn't let your food stick to the surface compared to many other pans. Additionally, the product comes with a full lifetime warranty, meaning it will get replaced if it's flawed. Coming in at number 6, T-fal A85700 Specialty Non-Stick 1-Egg Wonder Fry Pan. This adorable little pan is a great choice for a quick egg in the morning before going to work or just on a low-key Sunday. It's very small but cheap and effective. It works best for breakfast as it only lets you cook a small quantity. T-fal A85700 Specialty Non-Stick 1-Egg Wonder Fry Pan is made of aluminum and offers fast heat circulation. Moreover, the product allows you to easily clean it, being dishwasher safe. It also has a non-stick interior and exterior, cooking your eggs more effectively. You can easily slide your eggs as well, without having to make a mess when taking them out of the pan. It allows you to cook without a high quality of oil, making your food healthier. So it's a great investment as it is very cost affordable and cooks evenly. Not to mention, it also looks cute. Coming in at number 7, Flamekiss 9.5-inch ceramic coated non-stick 3-cup egg cooker pan by Amore Kitchenware. This 3-cup pan is great for over easy eggs. Besides that, it has the advantage of being environmentally friendly. No metal heavy metal was used during the manufacturing process, and it has 100% PFOA and PRFE free coating. For the price, you'll receive a high quality product. Moreover, the coating is durable and it will not peel or fade even after being used for a long time. Flamekiss 9.5-inch ceramic coated non-stick 3-cup egg cooker pan by Amore Kitchenware is dishwasher safe, making it easier to clean. The 3 cups have 9.5 inches and let you slide eggs easier. They don't let eggs stick to the surface, so you don't have to worry about your eggs becoming a mess. The handle is heat resistant and durable and offers a comfortable grip. Additionally, the pan comes with a 12-month manufacturer warranty. Coming in at number 8, Tamagoyaki Japanese egg pan coated with DuPont Teflon coating by TeChef. This pan brings you the advantage of cooking delicious over easy eggs for a great price. It's coated with DuPont Teflon Select. Not only that product is of great quality and allows easy flipping, but the color is splendid as well. Moreover, the coating is made from non-stick Teflon without using PFOA. Tamagoyaki Japanese egg pan coated with DuPont Teflon coating by TeChef is manufactured from aluminum, and the bottom is from stainless steel. Thus, it makes the heat transportation even better, allowing more effective cooking. It has a slope shape, making it easier to slide your food. The eggs won't stick to the surface either, so you have one less thing to worry about. Another great thing about the non-stick feature is the fact that the pan is easy to clean. Therefore, this pan is a great investment for over easy eggs. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite pan for eggs over easy. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the Freshness.com pan for eggs over easy to avoid. 4 holes non-stick fried egg pan, 24 cm by Luxrmoon. Although this product comes with 4 cups and promises durability and quality, the story is actually a bit different. The handle doesn't offer the stability that its description promises, and it's rather uncomfortable. 4 holes non-stick fried egg pan 24 centimeters by Luxrmoon is not tight enough, and you can't tighten it either. Moreover, the pan looks very nice in the pictures, but it's something else in reality. The material is too thin and the pan can easily burn and lose quality. Over time and after many uses, its shape can slightly deform because of the heat. Also, it loses its non-stick feature and your eggs can easily get burned. Therefore, this is a product that you don't want in your kitchen as it's not a great investment. The quality is low for the price as it comes, it's a better choice to avoid this pan for eggs over easy. And the next to avoid, Easy Slip Nonstick Cookware Double Pan by Zehui. Don't be fooled by this product's nice aspect and appearance and description. Despite its information saying it's non-stick, this eggs stick to the surface and make it hard to clean as well. What's even more atrocious is the fact that the cooking surface peels when you struggle to clean the leftover food. The Easy Flip Non-Stick Cookware Double Pan by Zehui promises to be perfect for over easy eggs and that the food doesn't stick to it and the surface is non-toxic. That can't be further from the truth. As mentioned, the surface peels off and you might not be able to eat what you cook. Additionally, the handles don't keep cool. They get very hot and you risk burning your hands. Avoid purchasing this product at any cost. It might easily be the worst pan for eggs over easy on the market. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on finding the best pan for eggs over easy. As you can see, to be able to effectively cook over easy eggs, you need a great pan. For this, you have to do plenty of research and make sure you choose the right tools for your needs. Hopefully, this guide gave you some insight and helped you discover the best pan for eggs over easy. Looking to learn more about the best pan for eggs over easy in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite pan for eggs over easy. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.